I don't know what the fuck this is, but hey, gotta get your weight up somehow.
This is what we need. Chunky beef stew, homemade.
How that taste, man?
Yeah.
It tastes, yeah.
Huh?
Hold on, let me try it. See, I think we used to get this in jail.
What are you talking about? The closet.
That's probably Santa Cruz.
Yeah. What it tastes like, man?
That's what I need.
Just what he need. Well, I'm about to go down. Peace out, YouTube. Jesus Christ, this shit is nasty. I'm about to throw some hot sauce on this or something. Let that simmer.